So for today we have one question here. What is this person saying? Okay. So Anzi, tell us, how can a student in university become successful? Like, I didn't really understand the question, but what I would say is, if it's about preparing for exams or preparing just in general for school and like for the tests and all this, I would say, man, a lot of parents, a lot of teachers, a lot of friends, they always advise people, they tell us like, you need to read, you need to just focus, but focus on what? It's really not really, it's not understandable. I'm just focusing. I don't even know exactly what I'm focusing on. But what I would say to any student, either high school, primary school, in university, PhD, masters, whatever, I would say, firstly, you need to know like what you are reading. What exactly do you want to understand? What do you want to learn? That's the first thing. And when you know what you want to read, you read that thing liking, because you really know that I need to understand, I need to learn this thing. Then after that, it's not all about reading, because I know a lot of students, growing up, we used to call them bookworms. People that can read the whole day, you can read 3 hours. It's not bad, it's okay. Since I said everyone have their own ways, But for me, I think it's better for someone to start maybe for 30 minutes to 1 hour. You read, you understand, you rest a bit, then you continue again. You read something else, you learn, you understand, you take a break. Why? Because a brain is not a computer. Even a computer itself, it has a processor. Sometimes it heats up. It has to rest a bit. You are a human being. You need to rest, meditate, think about what you are reading, try to manifest it. That way you will never forget something. That's why you see, even in business, like the professional business people, you do a meeting 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, so that you remember what you are doing. You see, every time when a meeting or something is more than an hour, 2 hours, you get tired, you get fed up of it. That's why you see even students that read so long, they end up sleeping on the book. When they wake up, they don't know what they were studying, what they were reading. Tomorrow when you ask someone, okay, you were reading last night, like 3 hours, 4 hours, what did you understand? You'll be shocked, like they don't know anything. They remember maybe just one thing. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, if I'm to say. Yeah, I'm not mocking, but it is the truth. So I just want to wish all those that are studying, maybe in university, high school, all those preparing the exam for the exams, like, please guys, try to rest. You need to rest well. When you read, take breaks and you start again, try again. Then last but not least, this one is very important. So you see that you are reading, you're trying to understand a certain topic, but it's so difficult, or maybe it's confusing. There's no need to keep on trying the same topic. The exam is big, man. There are a lot of topics in the exam. Move on. Go to other topics that you understand better, other topics that you like, other topics that you can understand. Then later you can just come back, maybe even tomorrow, when your brain is now, active. Your brain is now ready to take new information. You can come back now to the difficult things, than to keep on staying on the same topic that you can't even understand. I don't know. All the best, guys. Ciao.